All right, well, howdy there. It is almost March 2018, and that means we are at the first milestone, this real first milestone of the goal workshop, and 3 months in the future since you've written your goals. And I don't know about you, but I've kept my goals taped to the back of my bathroom door so that I can review them every single morning. But if you didn't do that or whatever, pull them down, review them. As you can see, I have some check marks and I've got some X's. I met some of my goals. I didn't meet some of my goals. That's okay. Because time moves on, and the ones that I didn't meet, I mean, heck, I'm just really happy that I accomplished all that. Now, pull out your next 3 months, which is June 2018. And here we are, right? Now we have a whole new set of goals to work on for the next 3 months. If you want to make adjustments to these goals, of course, now is the time to do that. And for me, I'm just going to go tape these on the back of my bathroom door. So I hope that you are on track. Please let me know how it's going. I love to hear from people who've taken this workshop and your progress, your struggles, everything. I just love it. And also, if you're not in our Facebook group, please consider joining because we totally lift each other up. We have a really great time in there, and it is just a great community. So yeah, join our Facebook group. The link is in the comments, and I will see you in June 2018. Oh, one thing is that my book Unicorn is coming out on April 30th. So if you have any interest in that, if you've enjoyed this goal workshop, if you want to support me as a person, if you want to support the work that we're doing here, please pre-order a book. It's only $16 and it is going to come out April 30th, and pre-orders matter a ton. They really matter. So because, you know, the New York Times bestseller list and everything, I realize that these are just titles, but it really it makes a difference and it gets attention for the book. So because those all count towards that first release week. So anything that you pre-order would be greatly appreciated. Okay, cool. I will talk to you in 3 months.